How to add a Google account on your Samsung device. This tutorial shows you how to sign in and get everything synced properly. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. After that, tap Manage Accounts. At this point, tap Add Account. Following this, tap Google from the list of account types. From here, give it a moment while the sign-in page loads. At this stage, once it opens, enter your email address and tap Next. Following this, enter your password and tap Next again. From here, follow any additional prompts, like verifying your identity or accepting terms of service. Once signed in, your Google account will be added to the device, and your contacts, apps, and other synced data will begin updating in the background. At this stage, if you have more than one account you'd like to add, repeat the same steps from Add Account for each additional one. That's how you add a Google account on your Samsung device. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!